Nsheppard Wild Willies Custom Accessories, Akins Ford, Winder, Georgia. The evolution of Wild Willies at Akins is truly something that's got us fired up. Wild Willies Custom. Custom is in our name, so we got to do more custom stuff, right? So here we have IndoRaptor installment number 3. We started with race red, with Ford Performance blue. Now we've got the classic agate black. We've got a lot of modifications to this one to make it more capable off-road and still look stellar. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. So probably off the rip, first thing you guys notice is the bumper. Yeah, we totally changed the front and rear bumpers with ADD bumpers to improve the overall looks and capability off-road. Really do like that signature look. We've got some rigid lighting, D-series cubes in the front also, which, man, those light up the night just very nicely. Coming on around, we've got the 2.5-inch level kit. We've ran on both of our previous IndoRaptors. We really like how that enables us to run the 37-inch Toyos or Nittos or whatever your favorite off-road tire is. Definitely improves the capability. Yeah, we got them a little muddy too this morning. 17 by 8.5 method 305 NVs. Man, it's been around for quite a while, but it's still just a clutch killer off-road wheel. Of course, the Toyo Open Country MT 37, 12.5, 17. Look at that aggressive sidewall. That really improves overall handling and performance off-road. You see how well we've got deep lugs there, a true mud tire. So capable, so popular, best on the market. I really do like that. Good shot of our ADD bumper in the rear. Also have some rigid lighting, D-series cubes in the back also. Our Akins spray and liner crew did a killer job. This came like a gloss black finish from the factory. They sprayed that with the Akins liner just to improve overall looks, longevity, and it's not slick if you're trying to get in there. Now in the rear, you can tell departure angle, AKA when you're coming off a cliff or a rock, you don't want to hit that bumper and just do some damage to that. So you've got a very minimal rear bumper, which is perfect for off-roading. Still got a functional step pad there as well. Really do like the way that this bumper looks. It's the ADD Pro bolt-on front and rear. Now this side, we didn't get as much mud sidewall action, so you can see a better representation of our sidewall of our AT Open Country MT tire. And man, what a killer tire. I've got it on my IndoRaptor, and it one of my favorites. Look at that aggressive sidewall. Love the simulated B-lock look. We've got the Gen 3 Fox shocks, of course from the factory with the active live valve technology, internal bypass system. What a killer setup. Almost 14 inches of travel in the rear and 12 or so in the front, man. Very capable on a 2.5-inch lift. Now up front you may say, guys, I'm not really digging that bumper. Well, you know, we've kind of been through this same process too, and the evolution of pre-runner trucks. You know, this is what's very popular currently, and it greatly, like I said, improves your approach angle to ensure that you've got no issues with any rock or mountain or any kind of articulation you're looking for. These rigid D-series LED light cubes up front are a game changer. These two here are your DOT approved, so you can run as a fog light, and you've got flood and spotlight scattered throughout also. Really light up the night for you. Also, on the skid plate, our Akins spray and liner crew did a killer job spraying that for us also. Looks great. It's a lot tougher, a lot more functional. Also, we really do like how you can see your Fox shock on the front. We like how that's exposed. Upper and lower control arms, so beefy. So many of you have some negative thoughts about the engine in the current Gen Raptor being a 3.5 liter V6. Yeah, V6, but it's a twin turbo pumping out 450 horsepower. You know, I was on that kick for many years of, you know, I want V8 power, V8 power. You got to drive this truck and you'll be a believer. I just promise me you won't have your opinion till you come drive one with us at Akins. So impressive. We installed the Roush Performance Pack for the Raptor, cold air intake, improve your overall flow of air coming in, as well as a tuner that gives it 57 more horsepower, so you're at 507 horsepower. Really helps when you add 37s and some more mods to have a little bit more power. But as you can see in videos, there's no problem at all spinning these tires, and power is just very adequate and phenomenal. So let's talk approach angle. So with the ATD Pro Bolt-On front bumper, as you're approaching an object, whether it be a small hill, a rock, a tree, whatever it may be, it's in your way, you've got more confidence in knowing that as you approach it, you don't have the factory fender hanging down here, so you've got plenty of room for any obstruction that may come in your way, so you get more confident maneuvering over any kind of terrain you're looking for. That's what makes this IndoRaptor. ATD Pro Bolt-On rear bumper also for departure angle confidence. So on the flip side, you have just conquered your obstacle, you're heading out, and that pesky loud clanking noise of whatever the rock or hill is just bending or just banging up your rear bumper is no bueno. So the Pro Bolt-On from ATD helps eliminate concern, gives you more confidence as far as your departure angle, coming down the hill, coming over a rock or a stump, whatever it may be. Truly love the sleek looks of this bumper and how capable it is also. But let's be honest, we all want it to look great, and we know that this bumper truly does, but also gives you some more capability if you ever do take it off-road. And no truck is complete here at Akins & Winder without a Akins spray and bed liner. Phenomenal job. Our guys take great pride in how they spray and the total process. Lifetime warranty as well. Keeps your bed protected for the lifetime. On the inside of the Raptor, you know, an off-road vehicle has been changed as far as what people think and expect in a performance off-road vehicle. You've got nice bolstered leather seating, ventilated seats, hug you very nicely. Just so premium, so comfortable. Love the carbon accents you've got going on the interior, gear shifter throughout. You've got creature comforts like heated and cooled seats. You've got your navigation. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, front camera, 360 camera, 180 front camera pulling out of the parking lot. Man, just so many different options. Driving modes with the Raptor are phenomenal. You've got normal, deep sow sand, Baja, rock crawl. It'll automatically shift in the modes it needs to for the application you're looking for. Slippery, tow haul, and my favorite, sport mode. Very capable on the outside. Phenomenal and luxurious. All the amenities on the inside. You've got different steering modes also. You've got a sport, comfort, and normal. Really can tell a big difference in that. So many creature comforts, and you're in a performance vehicle that can handle all of your off-roading needs. Unreal. So whether you're doing just like most of us and need more visibility when backing out of your driveway, or you're truly off-roading and just need more visibility, here's a good look at our rigid D-Series LED lights for the rear. Love how the bumper integrates the backup sensors. Nice and clean, sleek look. Great visibility there. Let's take a look at the lights up front. From the factory, you've got LED headlights, high beam, low beam, a nice signature orange daytime running light. Really like the way that looks. They've kept that on the Raptor throughout the years. You've got your off-road markers. And for the width of this vehicle, it being almost 8 inches wider than a stock F-150, you have to have the side markers also. And of course the rigid D-Series up front, man, they are so bright. I'll try to get you another clip of the nighttime shot, but they really light up the world. Give you great visibility. Cool thing is, 2 of those, remember, are DOT approved, so you've got greater fog light visibility at nighttime as well. Well, that's going to do it for today. I've had fun. I hope you guys have got some cool information, got to see some killer shots on our Part 3 IndoRaptor series at Wild Willies Custom Accessories, Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. You like that country slang, don't you? Anyway, this vehicle is for sale. Today is February 1st, 2020. I'll put the link in the description below. Please check it out. At Wild Willies, we try to take phenomenal vehicles that Ford has and enhance them with aftermarket components that has nothing but great value across the board. So if you're in the market for your next Raptor, please consider IndoRaptor Part 3. Great value, great looks, unbelievable pricing. Akins Ford, Winder, Georgia, Wild Willies. Peace out.